Hi, I'm Miss Mary. Welcome to Toddler Time. Have you signed up for the summer reading program yet? If not, you can call the library or check out our Facebook or our website. After your child has completed the requirements, they get to win some cool prizes. The prizes are for all different ages. I'm just going to show you a few that I think the toddlers might enjoy. Bubbles, a dragon bubble wand, or another special bubble wand. We also have unicorn headbands and a bouncy ball. Last week we talked about how rhymes help with children's language development. Today I have a special friend that's going to help us with our nursery rhyme. Boing, 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 boing. Hi, Tigger. Hi, Miss Mary. How are you today? I'm great. How are you? I'm excited because I love to bounce and I love to jump. And this nursery rhyme has jumping in it. It sure does. Are you ready? I'm ready. Listen for the jumping part so you can jump. I will. Our rhyme is called Jack Be Nimble. If somebody is nimble, they're very graceful, kind of like a dancer would move around. This is how it goes. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack jump over the candlestick. This time maybe you can say it with me and you can do the jumping part. Ready? Ready? Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack jump over the candlestick. Tigger, thank you for helping me. You're welcome, Miss Mary. I need to do my bouncing exercises. Boing, 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 boing. Bye, Tigger. Bye. I have another friend today. See if you can guess what this animal is. Meow. Meow. Did you say cat? If you did, you're right. This cat is a mascot for our summer reading program. We need to take this down. And today our story will be on the flannel board. It's called The Country Mouse and City Mouse. Once upon a time, there was a happy country mouse. The country mouse did not have fancy clothes, but she didn't care. The country mouse knew how to sew. If her dress became torn, she could put a patch on the tear. She did not live in a big, new house. But she liked her house. It kept out the cold winter wind. One day, the country mouse was going to have a special visitor. Her cousin from the city was coming. The country mouse went to her garden to get some food. She picked these strawberries. Do you like strawberries? I do. She picked blueberries. She got some lettuce. You use lettuce when you make salads. Now, the next thing, let's see if you can figure out what this one is. This is what it looks like when it's growing in your garden. And this is what it would look like when you eat it. Did you say watermelon? If you did, you're right. The country mouse needed to go someplace else to get some more food for her cousin. She went to a farm. On a farm, you might see this animal. Do you know what that is? I'll give you a hint if you don't know. It goes moo. Did you say cow? If you did, you're right. Well, at the farm, she got fresh milk and cheese. Somebody's knocking. Her cousin had arrived. arrived. They were so happy to see each other. The city mouse was dressed in fancy clothes. He was wearing a tall top hat. He had a red bow and a black walking stick. The country mouse was happy to share all that she had with her cousin. She had good food, but she did not have any sweet desserts. The city mouse invited his cousin to visit him in the big city. The city had big, tall buildings. Honk, honk, beep, beep. There was a lot of traffic in the city. They had to travel to the city mouse's house. Finally, they were there. The city mouse lived in a big new house. This dining room was very fancy. It had pink flowers on the table and a new white tablecloth. The family that lived in this house was going to have a party with lots of desserts. Let's see if you can help me figure out what they are. They had cookies. They had donuts. And they had a big chocolate cake. The mice got ready to eat the desserts. Suddenly, they heard something. Meow, 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 meow. Oh no, run, 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 said the city mouse. Run, help, help, said the country mouse. Meow, meow, meow. No, no, don't get me, don't get me. Meow, meow. Well, the country mouse was not happy in the city. The country mouse did not want to be chased by a cat when she was eating. She decided to leave the city and go back to the country. In the country, I don't have a big house or fancy clothes. I don't have yummy desserts. I do have peace and quiet living in the country. We have take and create bags. If you haven't seen the one for this week, this is the one for toddlers. We have them for all different ages. The crafts that you can make with this is you can make a dragon. And I used crayons to color the paper plate, but you can use markers or whatever you have to decorate it. And I used Scotch tape to tape the pieces on. One wing is taped to the front, one wing is taped to the back, and then you just fasten a little eye sticker. You also can make a fairy wand. I colored mine pink, but you can color yours any way you want to. And then I put stickers on it to decorate it. And we have our nursery rhyme, Jack be nimble. So you can read it at home with your family, and you can do it with practicing your jumping. We'll turn this around so we can do our closing run. You ready? Get your hands up. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Raise your hands up high. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Wave and say goodbye.